Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the basics: a phone with fingerprint hardware and Snapchat up to date. Open phone settings, then biometrics, and register or confirm your fingerprint now. Once done, unlock Snapchat and go straight to profile right arrow settings, scroll to privacy controls. Tap App Lock or Passcode, depending on your OS, and choose Fingerprint as the lock method. This initial setup links the app lock to your device biometrics, so make sure your primary fingerprint is accurate and active. Once inside Snapchat's lock settings, enable App Lock or set a passcode. You must authenticate with your device PIN to proceed. Then choose Fingerprint or Touch ID as the unlocking option and follow the prompt to verify a registered print. Make sure to set the auto-lock interval to a value that balances convenience and security, immediate for privacy, or 1/5 minutes for quick access. Also, toggle any Require Passcode after reinstall or similar. Finish by force closing Snapchat and testing the fingerprint unlock flow. You should be prompted for your print instead of opening immediately. If it fails, remove and re-register that fingerprint in phone settings, then disable and re-enable Snapchat's biometric option. This often clears sync issues. Make sure your OS and Snapchat are updated, because system patches fix biometric bugs. If problems persist, clear Snapchat cache or reinstall. However, back up any important data before reinstalling to avoid losing saved drafts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.